Hallo Leute, willkommen zurück auf meinem Kanal. Guten Tag, ich habe Hunger. Lass uns essen. Welcome to Rainforest Cafe in Disney Village in Disneyland, Paris. Rainforest Cafe is a jungle-themed restaurant. It is designed to depict the atmosphere of a tropical rainforest, including fake plants, fog machines, waterfalls, and animals. Animatronic animals are spread throughout the restaurant, including gorillas, elephants, chimpanzees, monkeys, etc. It serves typical American menu such as burgers, chicken, pastas, and seafoods. It also serves alcoholic beverages. They have a signature dessert called Sparkling Volcano, consists of chocolate brownie and vanilla ice cream topped with a lit sparkler. Accommodating staffs? Check. Cleanliness? Check. Appearance of the food? Check. Delicious? Check.
Christmas trees on fire, Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents inside. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got cold that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
Affordable price? Check. We rated the restaurant 9 over 10 stars. Rainforest Cafe is highly recommended. That's all. Thanks for watching. Tschüss.